Hello, good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine.
Wow, so
Can you
energetic.
message the others to come to class?
Yes.
Hezza is absent. Jerome and Minsha needs to come.
Yes. Let's wait for them, okay? Let's wait whether they
Okay.
will join or not.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you, everyone?
I am joined. I am
Okay, so how is everyone? How are you all?
good. Good.
Okay, I saw all of yours Republic Day's presentations. You have done so much. Mariam, I saw Mariam is stuck there.
Mariam is best student of week.
She's a student of the week. Wow, great.
Yes. Me and Hezza, we are still.
Hi, Jerome.
Everyone joined on time.
Everyone joined on time. Good
No,
job.
the class time is 10:40.
What, Jerome? What were you saying?
Now
Jerome? Jerome was saying something, no?
added symbol number. My laptop having chat. My laptop password is like that.
Yes, so everyone, how was your weekend, children?
Good.
Was it good?
Good.
Did you enjoy your weekend? What all you have done?
I got to marriage.
You went for a marriage.
I didn't go anywhere. I got to marriage. Not leave. That's why I didn't go anywhere. And my best Andy is going to India. I am so sad.
Oh. Where is she? Was she staying with you?
Yes, I let. His name is Shamsi Andy.
Does she have any children of your age?
I know the answer of this.
Did she have kids of your age?
Yes, full time is play with me. I am so sad.
Okay, no problem. They will come back soon. Okay, let's wait for them. Yes, so we were discussing till now. We were discussing on multiplication, no children. Now we'll be discussing on some discussing division. Okay, children. Understood? We'll be discussing division today. Yeah. So before starting the revision, let's know some virtual classroom rules. I hope all of you know that because every teacher say that to you, right? So for virtual, what are the virtual classroom rules, children? We have to find a quiet place to work. Be prepared. Mute and video on. Be on time. Raise your hand and don't talk when others are talking. Okay, if you want to talk something, yeah, if you want to say something, you have to raise your hand. So, are you all ready for seeing a video?
Yes, I like video.
Okay, good job. So,
Yes,
let's see the video right now.
Today, let's have some fun with Jumbo and Jimbo, the clowns. Let's understand the concept of division with them. Come, let's distribute 4 bottles equally between Jumbo and Jimbo. How many will each one get? 1, 2. 1, 2. Each one of them got 2 bottles. Now, there are 6 bottles to be equally shared between Jumbo and Jimbo. How many will each one get? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Three. Three bottles each. Look, who joined Jumbo and Jimbo? Jojo, the clown. So, now we need to distribute 9 bottles equally between Jumbo, Jimbo and Jojo. How many will each one get? 3 bottles each. In all these examples, we shared the number of objects equally according to the number of groups needed. This is called dividing into equal groups or division. Do you know division is actually repeated subtraction? Let's see how with Jojo the clown. Look, Jojo has 8 colorful balloons in his hand. Jojo has to divide them into groups of 2. Since Jojo has to divide in groups of 2, he ties 2 balloons from 8. Now he is left with 6 balloons in his hand. Again, he ties 2 more balloons from 6. Now he is left with 4 balloons in his hand. Now he ties 2 more balloons from 4. He is left with 2 balloons in his hand. He ties the last 2 balloons. Now he is left with 0 balloons in his hand. When Jojo tied 8 balloons into equal groups of 2, he got 4 groups. Here he tied the same number repeatedly. This process of dividing the objects into equal groups is called repeated subtraction. Let's take another example. Look at Jimbo. He is juggling 12 balls. Jimbo wants to divide these 12 balls in groups of 4. Since Jimbo has to divide in groups of 4, he subtracts 4 balls from 12. Now he is left with 8 balls. Again, he subtracts 4 more balls from 8. Now he is left with 4 balls. Now he subtracts 4 from 4. He is left with 0 balls. So, when Jimbo divided 12 balls into equal groups of 4, he got 3 groups. Did you have fun with Jumbo, Jimbo and Jojo?
Yes.
Is all of you understood, children?
Yes.
So what we have studied right here, what was it? What was the video in it?
Hazard joined. With time is hazard joined.
Look at this. What was the thing here? What were they discussing on? They're discussing on repeated.
I don't have any subtraction.
That was due to repeated subtraction, right?
Subtraction.
Yes.
And
Good
then
job.
they can do addition and multiplication, division and subtraction.
Yeah.
Why they do
According to the
addition and
number of groups needed.
subtraction, multiplication and
This is
division?
called
Like that.
dividing
Yes.
into equal groups.
So we are dividing them into equal group. That is the concept of repeated subtraction, right?
Repeated? Yes. Yes.
Okay, good job. Now
Oh,
we'll be doing some.
Oh, there are cues. Can I give me cues? Quiz. That sound has is on the mute. Then I hear You know why I'm late? Why? Because they don't have any electricity. Science just finished. Yeah. So after he come back. Do you know Marian is? Me too.
Yes, children, it's not quiz actually. This is something different, okay?
Is this not problem? Can I give a quiz? Can you put quiz? Please, Matt. Please. I want quiz. I want to quiz, Matt. Please. Please, Matt. Yeah, give us quiz. I want quiz, please. Me too. I want to quiz. Yes, I want
You do this, you'll get it. You'll do this, it will be fun.
I want quiz.
Just open this and we'll be doing that, okay?
Yeah, quiz. I got the quiz. I got the quiz.
It's not quiz, it's not quiz.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, all of you please share your screen and do this activity. It's an activity.
You sharing.
Okay.
I will share my screen now. It is not coming yet. Teacher, I'll share screen. I'm going to take quiz. What is Joshi, ma'am? Joshi.
Liza, what are you taking there? Just take what ma'am given.
Man, then what we will do? What you give me?
You just started and what they're asking in there. Start, click on start.
What is that?
No, don't click all that.
Ma'am, that we are
Yeah.
supposed to do.
Now you have to color 1/3 of the butterfly orange.
What do we are supposed to do, ma'am?
You have to click 1/3 of the butterfly orange.
Orange color?
Yeah, 1/3 of the butterfly orange and make the other butterfly green. Make 2/3. That means one butterfly you have to color. Out of 3, 1 should be colored orange and the 2 of the others should be colored green.
I will color two orange.
You can just click on that color and it will like rain, it will come down. At that time there should be a butterfly on that.
I want to join one more time. That's why I will join one more. Ma'am, how I do it?
You just click on that color. Click on that color.
Where? This?
Yeah, 1/3 of the butterfly should be orange and 2/3 should be green. Jerome,
So two of the butterfly be green, one of them be orange.
Jerome, what all are you doing, Jerome?
What's that?
Don't click on all that.
Ma'am, can I go to the bathroom?
Can't come fast.
Papa. Ma'am, I have 4 butterfly. Ma'am,
Yes.
I have 4 butterfly.
Okay. So you just color 4 butterflies. What all they said to ask you?
Which color?
Read their question there.
Number 4.
Make 1/4 of the butterfly blue. 1/4 should be blue and the rest 3/4 should be yellow. That means in that one, you just click on start. On one you have to click blue. Yeah. No, two turned blue already.
But can click on any colors.
No, only blue color. Only blue and yellow. Yeah. Click on yellow.
Okay.
Only one should be blue. The other should be green. No, yellow.
Nose. N.
Only one blue, ma'am.
Yes, dear. 1/3 is set as blue there. No. 1/4 is set as out of 4. One should be blue, and the rest of the others is green. Yellow.
ഇത് N. Put.
Good try. Very good. Alright. Okay, so now you can practice reading these words every day.
ഞാൻ ഇതല്ല പറഞ്ഞത്.
Now shall we start with the new lesson?
Nose. N.
Yeah, it's all about you finished, Shani. Good job.
The white one
Standing
is
line.
not coming, but here the yellow color set.
Right level.
All of you can get this card from Mama. Okay.
O.
Now we start with our new lesson.
S.
Finish, ma'am.
Learn the names of a few
E.
musical instruments. Okay, children? This
E.
is your favorite
E.
musical
E.
instrument.
Ma'am, can I do one more time?
Yeah, you can try doing one more time.
Mine's finished, but I am just clicking it. That's why it is full of going.
The video is already out. Yes.
Okay, so now all of you please stop doing. Let's come back.
Yeah, I will come back. Mine is finished. That's why I will come back. Can I stop touching? Mine is finished. Teacher, I have one more house. Blue color. Come back. Come back, blue.
Okay.
No. No.
Yes.
Very good. Using fans, right? A string guitar, right? Very good. Do a good sound.
All of you come back, children. Come back, please.
I come back.
We have no instruction.
Stop doing all that and come back here, children.
I come back, ma'am. Ma'am, I come
Take
back.
a break,
I'm
right?
going to the washroom. Can I go washroom?
Go and
I
come
am
first.
not
Don't repeat. You're getting break for all this, okay? And now in between the class hour, you should not go washroom, okay? Now you go and come first since it's urgent. Complete the multiplication table for 5. Use to write the division facts for 5. Okay, here they written 5 into 1 as 5. So we have to write the division fact as 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. In the same way, how can we write in the 5 into 2 is equal to 10? How can we write that? 5 into 1 is equal to 5. So they took this 5 and 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. In the same way, we have to
1
look.
second, I'm gonna share your screen.
Look at this, children. I'm not sharing my
sharing.
screen. I'm sharing my screen. All of you, please stop presenting.
Oh, I'm gonna make
Jerome,
your
Heza,
screen.
please stop presenting. And now pin my screen. After they stop presenting, you please pin my screen. 10 divided by 5 is equal to.
Do we have to write?
2. Yes, you have to write in your textbook. Write like this. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Now you have to write the next one. 5 into 3 is equal to dash. Then that divided by 5 is equal to 3.
Wait for me.
Yes, you can take your textbook.
I already have my textbook.
Yes, children. So, written, I guess.
I didn't.
Idi kaya parallella niente non ci faccio.
Make it fast. Written all. What we have to write here? 10 divided by 5 is equal to 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2, right?
Because I can't move anything. That's why I take the mouse and the auntie
You
will
don't
put
want to
like-
write there, you write in your notebook.
Yeah,
You got your textbook, right? In the textbook, it's the first question in the division chapter.
is it textbook?
In the unit 10.4, you can take unit 10.4. There, it's the first question. Page number 163.
But is it workbook or test?
Textbook, learner's book. It's the learner's book. You can take page number 163.
Science learners. Yes, 163. Is it 163?
Yeah. 163.
We had to do it.
Yes, dear, you have to do it. Make it fast. Look, we took this 10 here, right? 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. So, in the same way, what is 5 into 3?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I get this. I take learner's book, but it's so not like your screen.
You take the page number 163.
Yes. Can you write it? No. Oh my god. I accidentally see.
Now, what is 5 into 3?
Ma'am, you will post this class in recorded class?
Yeah, it will be there in the recorded class. We always post it in the, when you check the live class videos, you get this, okay? Now look at this, children. 5 into 3 is 15, right? Now what shall we write here?
Is it this one?
What will be writing here? Here we took 10 and 10 that we write here. Divided by 5 is equal to 2. So how we will write this one? Which is the answer coming here? That answer will pick here. That answer is 15.
Science learner's book I
15
go.
divided by...
Can I do after the class? You will put in recorded class
It's not
notes.
science,
Then
dear.
I
You take your
will
maths
do
learner's
that.
book.
Maths.
Is this the science period, Heza? You have to take your maths book, right?
Yeah.
Why you took your science now?
Ma'am, I
Yes.
This. Ma'am, I am in second one. Mine is not
Okay, you can write. It's not already. It's there. No, you can
Ma'am?
just look it and read
Ma'am?
here. Yes, Heza.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a new background I just see. This one. That is I have also. Yeah, I don't know why it comes.
Okay. Yes.
This
Now you
one
write
was
it.
a-
This one. Write this question. 5 into 4 is what? After 15, what will come here?
Can I write in notebook?
Yeah, you can write in
I
notebook.
got the book. I got the book, what is the wrong page number?
It's page number 163, children. Take your page number 163.
Equal to 5.
5 is
I
not
don't-
less. It's 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Then 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. And the same way we are writing 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is equal to 10.
this.
Now 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Now in the same way you can write 5 into
Now
3 is 15.
that was like
This 15
5
we will
divided
pick here.
by
Please
5.
mute. As I'm saying something, no? 15 you can pick here. Then 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Right? Now please do the 5 into 4. 20.
And I didn't even write this, but 5, 3 equal to 15. I didn't even write this all.
Yeah, now write 5 into 4 is equal to 20.
It's already write it down. That is in learner's book or workbook. Workbook are not there.
It's learner's book. I said you to take the learner's book, right? Why are you taking your workbook?
No, I do work is I will so many times check. Ma'am.
Ask your parent to help you in taking that, please. Take the page number 163, children. If you take the page number 163 in learner's book, you
Ma'am,
can see
now
this
we need to
question.
write like 15 divided by 5 equal to 3.
Yeah, now you can, yes, 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. And after this, what will we write for this one? 5 into 4 is 20, right? So,
Yes.
what will we write here? 20. This 20 we will pick here.
20
Divided by,
5 equal
yeah, very good. 20 divided by 5 is equal to what?
3.
20 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Good job.
I'm writing 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. Is class almost finished?
No.
How much seconds we have? Because oh yeah, I forgot math is my favorite subject. What is the page number again?
It's 163, dear.
You can see it
See
in the
here,
down.
no, it's 163. Now what should we write the next one? 5 into, after 4 what will come? 5 into, what is after 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 what is that?
5 equal to 5 is
5 into 5 is equal to 20. 25, right?
Wow.
Now we have to pick this 25 here. So 25 divided by,
Now I'm just writing right now.
it's not subtraction, okay, it's the division. 25 divided by
Division.
5 is equal to 25 divided by 5 is equal to,
I'm right now writing 20 divided by Ma'am, can I do this
divided by 5 is equal to 4.
classroom
25 divided by 5 is equal to
recorded class?
what?
This all can I do after class
Why? What
when you
happened?
put
Why are you
in
not doing now,
recorded
Maria?
class?
Oh, why? Geez, I'm moving my background.
Very big.
Mariam, why are you not doing now?
It's very big.
It's a small one. I can finish this easily.
Yes. So you please complete this up to 10 and come for tomorrow, okay? 5 into 6 is equal to 30. 5 into...
Ma'am, your answer is wrong.
which answer is wrong? It's correct.
So, what are you doing right now?
Ma'am, in the
Yeah.
textbook, it said as 10, but it's said it's 10, but it's 5.
Look at the children. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. In the same way, you have to complete this up to 10 and come, okay? 5 into 7 is equal to 35. 5 into 8 is equal to 40. And like that, 45, 50. Up to 50, you have to write and come for tomorrow. Okay, don't say tomorrow that you forget. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
Ma'am, can I just write it right now?
Yes, yes. Write it now. The one I written, you have to write now. The next.
I write 5. This 6.
Teacher, all my finish. That is all my finish.
Okay. You have to complete it for tomorrow. Okay. The rest of the questions, rest of this one.
Teacher, look at this. I'm all finished.
You
Oh,
finished
no,
already.
sorry.
Everything you have finished. Very
Look at
good.
this. Teacher, done. Done, teacher. Done,
Okay. Good
teacher.
job. Good job, children. Good job. If you are done, it's good. Okay. Then I think we can wind up the class right now.
Assembly is finished.
Okay. Okay. You done the work homework also.
Homework.
Jerome, for you, mini homework is pending. Don't make it pending. Okay. Do it today itself. Heza, Parvati, you are also having the pending works. Why is it so?
Ma'am, my homework is finished.
Yeah, you have done everything.
My homework is finished, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Teacher, homework is finished.
About science 1.
Teacher, homework is
About what is
Homework is finished now.
Teacher, homework is finished.
Okay, good. So
Homework
that's
is
it, children. We
finished.
can wind up the class right now. Okay, bye-bye. Have a great day, everyone. See you all.
Bye bye, ma'am. Have a great day. Bye
Thank you all. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye all. bye.